Hi, my name is Tim.
And I'm Quinn. We are hosting a Money Talks workshop on Thursday, September 17th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The workshop will be held at our Community Links office in Airdrie, which is located at 125 Main Street.
During the seminar that night, we're going to be talking about an important topic of assets.
What are assets, Tim?
Assets are anything that we possess, like our skills, our personality, our connections. It can be property or also cash. Each one of us own and possess at least a few of those assets, which in turn can help us gain employment and find financial opportunities.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Where do I learn more?
You can register at our website at nrvcl.ab.ca.
See you then!